A group of 6 people were discussing among themselves. A tall man was telling them their plans and taught them how to execute it, and other 5 members were carefully looking at him. June. So, this will be our plan. We have to follow it. No one will use their brain. Everyone works according to the plan, said while looking at the youngest one. Cook, why are you saying this while looking at me? June, because among us only you break the rules. You always do the things which we strictly told you to not. So behave this time, otherwise. Cook stood up. Otherwise, what? Mr. Leader Kim Namjoon said while slamming his hand on the table. You will again throw me from this mission just like you did in our last mission? June, straight looking into his eyes. Lower your voice, Kim Jong-kook. Don't forget, I'm your Hyang too. You can't talk me like this. Cook, Hyang sadly chuckled. Did you ever fulfill your Hyang's responsibility? I have only 4 Hyangs. You are only my leader, nothing else. June made a fist. I'm again warning you, Cook. Cook, neither I scared from you nor from your warning. What more can you do? You will hit me? Then hit me. I'm standing right in front of you. Yoongi, Cook, sit down and listen to your duties. Cook looked at Yoongi. Why do I sit down, Hyang? What duty are you talking about? Just like last mission, this time too, I don't get any duty. In fact, I won't be the part of the mission. Jimin, Cook, when did Jun Hyang say this? Don't assume anything by yourself. First listen everything carefully, then say. Cook looked at him. How can you take his side, Hyang? He never gave you an important role. In front of his eyes, you are nothing. Maybe you deserve this, but I'm not Jimin. I'm not useless like you. I'm Kim Jong-kook. I'm more capable than you all. Everyone knows my ability. I'm 1,000 times better than you all, but still I don't get any important role. You all can accept this biasness, but I can't. Hobie, Cook, shut your mouth. Cook, why do I shut my mouth? I didn't say anything wrong. I'm so useful, not useless like Jimin Hyang. I deserve better place. I can't become another Jimin. Angrily threw his chair and left. Hobie shouts, Cook, come back. You can't leave the meeting like this. Yoongi, this boy is getting my nerves. I swear, Hyang, one day I will show him his right place. Jin looked at June. June, you continue. Tell us about our duties and roles. I'm sure you already distributed the work. June looked at him. Yes, Hyang, I already prepared the file. Gave everyone their file. Here is everyone's file. I mentioned everything in detail. If anyone has any doubt, then you can discuss with me. Jin, alright then, let's back to the work. Yoongi looked at the extra file. Who will give Cook his file? Hobie, no one. When he doesn't respect the work, he doesn't need to do anything. About to go. Jimin, but Hyang, who will do his work? Hobie, we will give his work to other. June, then he will think I purposely gave his work to other. Hobie, then let him think we aren't here to justify him everything. Left. Yoongi, we need to fix Cook's attitude. He is becoming more mannerless day by day. One of us need to talk with him. Jin, he isn't a kid whom we can understand. He is well grown up boy. Jimin, but this much arrogance isn't good for him. Jin, he is enough mature to think about himself. His ego is exactly like June. Jimin, but Jun Hyang never misbehaved with anyone. I agree, sometimes he behaves so stubborn, but he always put his point. He never blame anyone. He always sticks on his decision. He never said he is superior. Yoongi, but Cook has superiority complex. He didn't hesitate to put anyone down just like he put you down. Jun Hyang, do you think I did wrong? I'm biased. Jin stood up and angrily threw his file on the table. What do you think? Whatever you did was just to put him down. Was your decision biased? June, no, not at all. I did what at that time I think it was right. I don't think I was biased. I did what a leader should do. Jin, then fine. If according to you, you are right, your decision was fair, then why do you need to discuss it again and again? Stop giving justification. You don't need to do this. Picked his file and left. Jungi hung left behind him. June slowly shook his head. When did this end? Jimin, I'm sure someone will definitely come to solve the differences. It's getting toxic. Left with his file. Arthur's point of view. This is Kim family. There are 6 members. All of them were mafias. Everything was going well until the youngest member, Cook, completed his training period. He is suffering from superiority complex. According to him, he is perfect. He doesn't need to learn anything. The problem has started when he denied the work which is low according to him. He demanded to get higher position in the group. He just completed his training and behaves like he is the king. He didn't hesitate to put anyone down, just like he did with Jimin. He felt insulted with when anyone compared him with Jimin. Jimin was elder than him. He doesn't everything whatever he was told. He never felt any shame to do smaller work. For him, every work is important. He was trying to improve himself. June was the leader. He distributed work in among themselves. He never took anyone's side. But Cook always taunted him as biased leader because he never gave him his work, which is wants. June wants Cook work with Jimin and learn how to make himself comfortable in any situation. Cook wants to lead the mission. Their small arguments turn into rift when Bobby brought a wild horse, which was little slow because he was injured. Cook saw the horse and took him for horse riding, which with his other trainee friends without informing to anyone. They did race. Cook became second because his horse was slow. Cook couldn't take this insult and started beating him by the whip. His friends tried to stop him, but he didn't listen to them. There was a huge crowd of trainees gathered. Jin, Jungi, and Hobie were on the mission. Jimin was doing his work. One trainee informed June about this. He immediately went to him and first tried to stop him calmly, but when he didn't listen to him, he slapped him and snatched the whip from his hand. Cook couldn't take the insult of getting slapped in front of everyone and left from there. Later, at home, when everyone came back from the mission, he created huge drama. June cancelled the mission which he was going to lead and snatched his all the upcoming projects. He gave his all the work to other person. June didn't allow him to involve in any mafia related work for whole 1 month because of his short-tempered and irresponsible attitude. This incident put the huge wall between them. Hobie and Jimin tried to make Cook understand, but he pushed them. Yoongi and Jin were very angry. They clearly told June and Cook to solve their matter by themselves. They didn't want to interfere in this. Yoongi told Hobie and Jimin to stay away from this matter. After a month, when Cook returned to his work, June gave him work, but he denied to do that because he wants to lead the team. After seeing his past record, June didn't give him a chance to lead the team. According to him, Cook still needs to learn so many things. He wasn't ready to lead the team. Time skipped at home. They all returned their home. Cook came from his own car. Yoongi opened the door. They all became super shocked to see the house. Whole house was in disarray. Everything was on floor. They all quickly took out their guns and started checking the house. They didn't found anyone. At last, they all came to the kitchen and got shocked to see a little boy was sitting on the chair and eating the sprouts. Yoongi, shocked, "Hey you! Who are you and how did you enter the house?" Boy looked at him. Titi came here by his legs. Yoongi crossed arm. "Oh really? Thanks for telling me that we walk by our legs. I thought we walk by our hands." T. Cats have 4 legs, but Titi isn't a cat, na? Yoongi, do you think I'm a cat? T shook his head vigorously. No, Titi doesn't think you are the kitten, not cat. Yoongi widened eyes. Kitten? How dare you to call me kitten? T. Kitten should be called as kitten, na? Cook. Don't you know we are mafias? How dare you to come in our house? T looked at him. Mafias don't have strawberries in the house. Go and buy tasty strawberries for Titi. Titi is hungry. Titi doesn't like this EU thing, but there is nothing which Titi can eat. June, listen kid. T shouts, "Hey! Don't call Titi a kid, big body. Titi is 5-year-old big boy." Hobie started rolling on the floor. Kitten and big body. T looked at Hobie. Titi likes you, you clapping machine. Jimin went to him. You spread the things, said while placing his hand on the table. T compared his hand by Jimin's. Your hand is smaller than Titi's. Jimin, offended, and hide his hand behind his back. No, my hand is bigger than yours. By the way, you are sitting on my chair. T. Here isn't it in your knee, baby. Titi can sit wherever Titi wants. No one can stop Titi. Understand, baby? Jimin widened his eyes. Baby? T. Yes, baby. You have small baby hands, na? Jimin, no, I'm not a baby. You are a baby. T shook his head vigorously. No, Titi is 5 years old, big boy, and you are Titi's baby. Pulled his cheeks. Jin, Titi, why did you spread the things? T dramatically looked at him. In this huge house, there isn't a single Titi's strawberry. Set this house in fire. What's the use of having house if you don't have strawberries? Yoongi, oh wow, what a great kid. June, this kid will never gonna listen to me. Hobie, Titi. T looked at the floor. Yes, laughing machine. Hobie smiled. Titi, why are you eating sprouts? T, you poor mafias don't have anything to eat. What should Titi eat? Hobie, oh sorry, we didn't know that Titi was coming. Otherwise, we would have brought a lot of food items. But we have milk. T threw the empty bottles of banana milk. This was so bad, but still Titi drank them. Cook widened his eyes. What? You drank my banana milk? Do you know these were the last 5 bottles? T, your taste is so bad. How can you like EU things? Cook angrily went to him and placed his on his head. Should I tell you what the EU thing called? T snatched it from his hand and threw on the floor. Titi was playing with this when Titi was baby. You are still playing with it? Grow up, kid. Patted his head. Cook was super shocked. He couldn't understand how can a little boy snatch it from his hand with this much ease. Not only Cook, others were also shocked by this action. Kids are fearless. T quickly tugged Jimin's hoodie. Baby! Jimin looked at him. Titi. Titi is hungry. Who can prepare tasty food for Titi? Jimin. Yoongi Hang and Jin Hang. Only they both knew cooking. T looked at Yoongi. Kitten,
kitten. No, Titish, tiger can't eat food made by kitten.
Yoongi, I won't prepare food for you.
Tea, baby, this kitten is talking a lot. Don't give him milk to drink.
Jimin tried not to laugh. Oh, okay. Tea looked at Jin.
Jimmy,
Jin, yes.
Tea, prepare something tasty for Titi. Titi is so hungry.
Jin, I will love to prepare food for Titi, but you can see kitchen is so messy. So first I have to clean the kitchen. After that I can make anything for Titi. Jimin,
Don't worry, Hang. I will clean the kitchen.
T held his hand.
No, Titi's baby won't do any work. This rude bunny will do.
Pointed his finger on Cook. Cook, excuse me, I'm doing nothing. It's not my work. Jimin and Hobie Hang always do this.
T, but today rude bunny will do.
Cook crossed arm. Why do you think I will listen to you? T showed him last bottle of banana milk.
Because Titi has EU milk. Titi will throw this.
Cook, don't you dare to throw this. I will clean the kitchen. Time skipped after some times. Cook cleaned the kitchen. Hobie cleaned the living room. Jin was preparing food for everyone. Yoongi and Joon went to buy strawberries for Titi and find out Titi's reality. Jimin was sitting in his room and Titi was looking the house. He came to Jimin while looking for him and found he was sitting near the big glass window. He was looking so sad. T slowly went to Jimin and hugged him.
Baby, what happened?
Jimin pulled him in front of him. Nothing. T cupped his face.
Why is baby sad? Baby should tell to Titi. Titi will make baby happy.
Jimin, I'm sad because nothing is good in the house. I hear this sadness. There is a rift between Cook and Junhyang. Because of that, everyone is tensed. T.
Rift means?
Jimin, rift means fight. T made O face. Oh,
rude bunny fought with Junie. But who is Junie?
Jimin, that tall man is Junhyang.
T, big body.
Jimin, he is. Told him everything.
T, don't worry, baby. Titi will fix everything. Baby should smile.
Hugged him tightly. Jimin hugged him back. You're so sweet, Titi. Time skipped after 2 days. 2 days passed. They tried to find out T and got to know T was dropped by someone in amusement park. Their men were trying to find out that person who left T. T blended with Kim family. Jin, Hobie and Jimin was so happy. T never disturbed them. He teased Yoongi a lot. Yoongi hates his kinship and he always hugged him and teased him by calling kitten. Joon was one who suffered a lot because he always spread the things and Joon arranged them. Because Jin thought he spread the things, he was little harsh with Cook. He forced Cook to do the things which he hates the most. Cook was jealous to see how he gets everyone's love, but he only gets ignorance. He was hurt, but he didn't show because of his so-called ego. Right now, everyone went outside of the house. Only T was in the house. June opened the door and saw whole house, living room and kitchen was sacred. He got panicked to see this. He found Titi was eating the honey while sitting behind the couch. June went to him and said, June, oh, so you spread the things. Why did you spread the things? And what's this? Why are you eating honey? Yang stopped you now.
T, big body, Titi's bear na. Bear loves honey. Bear is hungry.
June, by yesterday you were tiger and now you became bear.
T, laughing machine brought this bear dish for Titi. So now Titi is a bear na.
June, Let Jin Hyang come, he will scold Bear for spreading his precious kitchen tea.
Ginny will scold Big Body, naughty tea.
Stick his tongue.
Always Big Body ruin the things, naughty tea.
June in mind. This little bear is right. If Jun Hyang saw the house like this, then he will scold me. With that, he started cleaning the house. Titi was busy in eating the honey. After few minutes, Cook came and saw June was cleaning the house. He didn't say anything to him. He started helping by himself now. He didn't feel any shame to do the work. June saw him but didn't say anything. T brought the whip and hit on Cook's hand and ran away. Cook started screaming while holding his hand. Hearing his screams, June quickly ran to him. June, Cook, what happened? Sat beside him. Cook looked at him and started crying. Hyang, it's burning. Ah! June, what's burning? Let me see. Cook, no, Hyang, June removed his hand. Let me see first. Saw a dark red mark. Wait, here, I'm coming. Cook, don't go, Hyang, June quickly came back with ice cube. It will be fine. Started rubbing the ice cube on his hand. Shh, it's all right. Cook, Hyang, it hurts so much. June, just by one whip you are crying like this, then think about the pain of that horse whom you were beaten mercilessly by the whip, even though when he was already injured. T hit you slowly, but you hit the horse by your full strength. Can you imagine his pain? June's words were eye-opener for him. He didn't realize the pain until he got the same pain. June brought the ointment and applied on his hand. He was about to go, but Cook held his hand and started crying loudly. Cook, while hugging June, I'm sorry, Hyang. Please don't go. I want you. I need you. I'm sorry. June, Cook, I'm not going anywhere. I can't leave you. In fact, none of us can't leave you. You are our Magni. We love you so much. We ignored your small mistakes, but you started misbehaving and thinking you can do anything. You started taking advantage of our love. We didn't teach you this. You are good at everything. It's good. But you became egoistic. You forget your qualities are nothing if you started proud on you. You should use your power in good cause, not to misuse it. You should make your hands proud, but see, because of you, everyone is sad. You don't even realize your language. You talk less and taunt more. You taunted Jimin and called his useless so many times, but did he say anything to you? Never. He never replied to you. If you think he stayed silent because he had nothing to say, then you are wrong. Jimin was silent because he isn't immature like you. He knew what should he say or not. Everyone should start from zero. Jimin is learning. Maybe physically he isn't stronger than you, but mentally no one is stronger than him. I stopped you to go on the mission because you are still so immature. You aren't ready to lead the team. Physically you are ready, but mentally not. You are so self-centered person. You only think about yourself, not others. A leader should treat every member equally. He should encourage his teammates, but you can't tolerate a single mistake. You only wanna win at any cost. This attitude will ruin you one day. If by chance you failed in a mission, then you will burn the whole team by your anger. How can I give you the responsibility of others' life when you are so selfish? You are a short-tempered. First, you should work on your anger issues, then you can join us. We all have ego, but Sometimes we took the decision by siding our egos. I'm not saying it's only your fault. Somewhere we are also responsible because we didn't correct you at the right time. Cook, I know I did lots of mistakes and saying sorry can't be enough for that, but please don't leave me. I will work hard. I will work on myself. I will apologize to each and every person, but please don't leave me alone. June patted his back. I told you na, I can't leave you alone. You should apologize to Jimin. You hurt him the most. Now let me arrange the things before Jin Hyang come. I don't wanna get hit by his pink frying pan. Cook smiled and wiped his tears. Let me help you, Hyang. June and Cook came to garden after hearing laughing voice. They both got shocked to see everyone there. Everyone was playing with Titi. Everyone was running and Titi was chasing them. Yoongi fell on the ground and Titi let on him, and while hugging him tightly, he was winning like a kid. Jin was laughing and Hobie and Jimin were rolling on the ground to see Yoongi's helpless condition. He spread honey on his clothes and he was making Yoongi messy too. T. Now where will Kitten go? Kissed on his cheek, forehead, neck, hand and arms. Yoongi screamed his lungs out. Ah! Yang! Save me by this hungry bear! He will eat me! Ah! Don't kiss me! Jimin, while rolling on the floor. Yang, he is only kissing you. You are screaming like he is hitting you by the belt. Yoongi, you little chick, shut up. You're enjoying this much now. Let me free. I will throw you all the jams. Jimin, Titi, kiss him properly. T. Cupped Yoongi's face. Titi is hungry. Titi will eat you this round dumplings. Yoongi, Titi, I will buy you lots of strawberries. Please let me go and bite. Jimin looked at Hobie, who was laughing while putting his fist in his mouth. You're enjoying so much, huh? Titi, see, he's laughing. Ting, Kitten, that's why Titi calls him laughing machine. Hugged his neck. Jin, Yoongi, he's only loving you. Why are you reacting like this? He hugged and kissed us too, but we never react like you. Yoongi, because I don't like this Yang. Ah, leave me. Threw his one sleeper on Jimin and another one on Hobie. Stop laughing. June, Yang, when did you all come back? Everyone looked at him and Cook turned silent. Yoongi stood up with Titi and said, Yoongi, Yang, I'm going to take bath. Left. Cook, Yoongi Yang, but no use, he already left. After few minutes, Yoongi came back there and with Titi, he found Cook was kneeling down. His nose was so red and runny because of continuous crying. Everyone was staring at him without blinking their eyes. Jin looked at Yoongi. We are waiting for you. Tell us, what should we do with him? Yoongi, why are you asking from me? He's superior. He doesn't need us. Cook shook his head vigorously. No, I'm not need you all. Please don't say this. I'm ready to bear anything. Yoongi raised his one eyebrow. Anything? Cook, yes, anything. Yoongi went inside and brought a whip. I'm again asking, anything? Cook gulped hard to see the whip. Yes, anything. Yoongi gave the whip to T. Go. T went to Cook with whip and Cook closed his eyes tightly, but for his surprise, he hugged him tightly and kissed on his cheek. Cook got shocked and opened his eyes and saw everyone was laughing. Cook, why are you laughing? T, rude bunny, everyone is only teasing you. It was Chinny and Kitten's plan to make you realize your mistake. Titi is sorry for hitting you. Laughing bunny machine told Titi to eat you. June, so it was your plan, but why didn't you tell me this? Jin, because we want you both solve your differences. Cook went to Jimin. Jimin Hyang, I'm so Jimin, we all heard your and Junhyang's conversation. You are feeling guilty and willing to improve yourself. That was enough for us. Cook, but how can you forgive me this easily? Jimin, that's the thing which you have to learn from me. Ruffles his ears. Cook hugged him tightly. I promise I will become better person. Everyone joined in hug. We knew this. T brought a water pipe and started rinsing everyone.
Leave Titish, baby.
Yoongi,
I just took shower. Stay away from me.
T.
No.
Everyone enjoying in water except Yoongi, but he has no other option. T told to Jimin that he will make him happy, and see, today he made him happy. Cook was working on himself. He didn't doing any mafia related work about T, so he was an orphan. He came here to with his orphanage kids too. Visit amusement park but got lost and somehow reached at Kim Mansion. Mafia family adopted him and now he is disturbing his kitten and big body, and seeing his suffering everyone was enjoying so much. There is no substitute of kindness. Only a child can bring back you in your childhood and force you to obey him or her. The end. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Happy Children's Day. How was a naughty and dramatic baby TT? Juni and Yoongi suffered the most. The way he sneaked into Mafia's house and destroyed the whole house just for strawberries was out of the box. Poor Juni was rearranging the house because of Jin's fear. The way he was scolding them for not having strawberries, all a child can do. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.